tonight. Federal government declares Tuesday as public holiday in honor of late President Muhammadu Buhari as Governor Wada announces burial arrangement. Plus, Speaker House of Rep Tajuddin Abbas mourns the passage of Awujale, paramount ruler of Ijebu land. Good evening and welcome to Nta Ijebu Ode News at 7. My name is Fatima Hassan and here are the news in details. Following President Bola Tinubu's directive, flags are flying at half-mast in the State House. Pictures from the seat of power indicates compliance to the directive in honor of former President Muhammadu Buhari, who passed on yesterday in London at 82. What you see in this picture are flags at the ceremonial roundabout, the entrance to the forecourts of the President's office and residence flying at half the normal height. The flags are to remain like this for the next 6 days. The federal government has declared Tuesday, 15th July 2025, a public holiday in honor of late former President Muhammadu Buhari. A statement by the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Interior, Dr. Ajayi, indicated that the declaration is in line with the 7-day national mourning period announced by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The statement notes that the Minister of Interior, Olubunmi Tunji Ojo, makes the announcement on behalf of the federal government following the President's approval. Tunji Ojo says the holiday is a mark of respect for the late President's service to the nation, his democratic contributions and his legacy in governance and national development. The minister urges Nigerians to honor the late President by promoting peace, patriotism and unity. In the meantime, Katsina State Governor Malam Dikko Umar Rada has formally announced the burial arrangements for Nigeria's former President Muhammadu Buhari, who passed away yesterday in a hospital in London. Addressing journalists during a press briefing in Katsina, Governor Rada revealed that following consultations with the late president's family and close associates in London, it was agreed that the remains of the former leader will arrive Katsina tomorrow, Tuesday, July 15, 2025. He further disclosed that the burial will take place in Daura, the hometown of the late former president, by 2 p.m. on the same day. Governor Rada expressed deep condolences on behalf of himself, the government, and the people of Katsina State to the family of the late president and to all Nigerians mourning the loss of a national icon. The remains of the longest reigning monarch in Nigeria, the Awujale of Ijebu land, Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona, has been committed to mother health with a charge in Nigerians, especially those in the position of authority, to leave a good legacy while in position of authority. The Grand Muftiya of Yoruba land, Sheikh Abdulaziz Ishola, gave the charge at the burial of the paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Adetona. Anthony Gandino was at Ibeba residence of the monarch, and the report will come your way in our subsequent bulletin. Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abbas Tajuddin, has commiserated with the Ijebu people over the passing of Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona, at the age of 91. Speaker Abbas enshrined the virtues of the represented monarch, saying he will be remembered for his forthright leadership and sincerity of purpose as one of his country's longest reigning traditional rulers. The speaker prayed Allah to grant Oba Sikiru Aljana Firdaus while extending his condolences to the government and people of Ogun State. Meanwhile, the remains of the paramount ruler is expected to be committed to Mother Earth today, and the report will be brought to you in our subsequent bulletin. We are still on Nta Ijebu Ode News at 7. We'll be going on a short break. Please stay tuned.
Oh, what a wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.
Welcome back from the break and thanks for joining us. A university don has advocated for a comprehensive overhaul of chemistry education curriculum in Nigeria to align with the 21st century realities. Professor Adekunle Bamiro, who spoke on this at the 35th inaugural lecture of Nta Ijebu Ode Federal University, a jargon called for strategies to strengthen chemistry education in the country. Sumisala Adenuga was at the test fund hall of the university venue of the lecture, and a report is hereby presented.
Professor Adekunle Oladipupo Bamiro, in his speech, called for urgent reform in the teaching and learning of chemistry in Nigeria. The professor of science education chemistry emphasized the need to bridge the gap between outdated instructional methods and the dynamic demands of the 21st century. According to him, the future of national development depends solely on a science curriculum that is relevant, skill-based, and capable of producing globally competitive graduates.
This topic reflects a clarion call to re-examine how chemistry is taught, learned, and applied in a rapidly changing world. I mean, a world shaped by technological advancements, environmental challenges, and the evolving needs of learners.
Professor Bamiro noted that while chemistry remains central to technological advancement and industrial growth, Nigerian curriculum lags behind in addressing some of these advancements. He stressed the need for more improvements in order to meet up with the global world. The Vice Chancellor of TASWED, Professor Oluwole Sikurubanjo, in his address commended the lecturer for his academic excellence and constant advocacy for quality education.
Very short and expensive. I love precision. And the lecture is very concise and educative.
The 35th inaugural lecture was attended by stakeholders and family of the guest lecturer, Professor Bamiro, who commended him for his gift of speaking. They also spoke more on the title of the lecture.
What I can say that is promoting chemistry, so that people will know the importance in chemistry and they will be able to fall in line with chemistry.
I can say it was a great experience. Usually it's a passage of rights for professors at his level to be able to go through this and talk about the various challenges we have, especially when it regards to chemistry, which is one of the things he's passionate about.
Definitely, I will suggest the nature of the subject is being taught, then the curriculum itself, because there are certain things that are there that they're supposed to adjust it.
The only thing I want to register is that parents, teachers should make chemistry enjoyable and then try to talk to our children, especially the young ones.
Professor Adekunle Oladipupo Bamiro, while acknowledging the presence of everyone, appreciated the contribution they have made for his success over the years. In Ijebu Ode, Shekina Kunzi, NTA News.
The 27th annual bar week of the Ijebu Ode branch of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) was rounded up with a dinner party at the Ijebu Ode Bar Center. Ogun State Deputy Governor Alhaja Noimo Salako Oyedele and the President of the Nigerian Bar Association, Mazi Afam Ozigwe, were among the dignitaries who attended the event. Shekina Kunzi report.
Addressing the gathering, Rita Jotaiwo highlighted the challenges hindering the smooth administration of justice in the country, emphasizing the need for judicial officers to ensure a seamless dispensation of justice.
I know for a fact that there are spanners in the wheel of justice, and they are members of either the members of the public, lawyers, or even the judex. But if you read the paper very well, it's for us to adjust so that we can make the wheel of justice run smoothly without being spanners in the wheel of justice.
Retired Judge Taiwo reiterated the importance of addressing the challenges in the justice system to ensure a smooth operation. Some stakeholders commended the chairman of the Nigerian Bar Association Ijebu Ode branch, Professor Fasi Yusuf, for his relentless effort towards making the branch one of the best since he assumed office.
This is one of many things that he does, to show his appreciation for how God has blessed him. So what can I say but just, to pray that God will continue to bless him so that he's encouraged to even do more.
The event ended with fanfare, dancing, and interaction among legal practitioners as well as their guests.
Hello, sir.
In Ijebu Ode, Shekina Kunzi, Nta News.
The 8th-day fidal prayer for the first Surveyor General of Ogun State and the first Seriki Musulumi of Nta Ijebu community, Ijebu Ode, Alhaji Ganiyo Olatunde Odowole, has been held with a call on Islamic faithfuls to always remember Al-Jannah and serve Allah with all their possession while still on earth. Oriofe Ogunshola was part of the event and now reports.
In a sermon at the 8th-day fidal prayer for late Alhaji Odowole, Imam Ogoluwa Mosque Igbeba, Ustaz Tajuddin Owoduni, admonished everyone present to always remember that they are answerable to Allah in all their deeds, urging them to be steadfast in their worship to Him. Ustaz Owoduni called on the family, especially the children, to continue to live on the legacy of the deceased and remain united. Some family members spoke about the things the late 4th Surveyor General of Ogun State and the first Seriki Musulumi Nta community, Ijebu Ode, would be remembered for.
My advice for the family is to cooperate among themselves, to unite as they unite during the lifetime of their father. So they continue to unite, do good among themselves. I advise the elder ones to carry the younger ones along.
Prayers were thereafter rendered for the family, the community, and in appreciation of Allah for a life well spent.
As a father disciplinarian, he did his best to make sure he educated us to become important. He's very religious. If you are a Muslim, you won't care. If you are a Christian, no discrimination. That is why I like him, because I'm a really Christian.
All I have learned from my old man, my gold, is how to survive without anybody. That's all. I will never forget him. I'm starting a foundation, which I already started. Lati, continue with his legacies,
Discipline is key, love, kindness, and Grandpa is so much. I learned from my grandpa that I should keep on trying, that I should never give up, even though it's very hard.
Alhaji Ganiyo Olatunde Odowole, who died at age of 96, is survived by children and grandchildren. In Ijebu Ode, Oriofe Ogunshola, Nta News.
That's all we have for you tonight on Nta Ijebu Ode at 7. Join us tomorrow for more interesting stories. Good night.
Wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with SureClean. SureClean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, SureClean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of SureClean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. SureClean detergent makes your family clean and happy. SureClean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.